We already had our favorite place in South Africa, and then we bought a house somewhere else. This is the story of how a place you love and a place you can live are sometimes not the same thing. If you have seen our previous video after 4 weeks on the garden route, 2 in Neisner and 2 in Sedgefield, we had a clear favorite, Sedgefield. Relaxed, safe, nature at the door, community market on Saturdays. We'd already started imagining winters there. But before we committed to anything, we had one more test to run, Cape Town and its surroundings. We spent several weeks exploring different towns and suburbs around the Cape Peninsula and Cape Town, and we worked with a local estate agent and Property 24. What we found surprised us. We arrived in Gordons Bay, and without about 20 minutes, something shifted. Sedgefield is a retreat, genuinely beautiful, but it's built for people who are done with the city, people who left and never looked back. We are not 20 anymore, but we are also not done. Sedgefield attracts people who are escaping, and we realized we didn't want to escape, we wanted to land. Here's something about the Cape Peninsula that nobody really tells you up front. 2 sides, completely different worlds. Take Noordhoek, for example, Atlantic side, stunning white beach, mostly used for long walks though, not swimming. This is where the settled families live. Horse country, the only vineyard on the peninsula, does a Thursday open door evening. Beautiful, refined. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not us. Drive 10 minutes over the hill and you are in a different country. False Bay. The water here is 5 degrees warmer than the Atlantic. The beaches are full, surfers, swimmers, kiters. No organic dailies, no fancy coffee shops, Ford pickups with surfboards, suntan dog owners who've been up since 6. This is where we felt at home. And the location? We are based in a suburb on the False Bay side. We are keeping it deliberately vague, but here's the context. Cape Town CBD is 40 to 50 minutes away. Far? Well, about the same as you drive anywhere meaningful in Munich. You stop noticing after the first week. What we gained? Easy access to completely different vibes within a 20-minute radius. Every town here has its own personality. You never run out of reasons to leave the house. There wasn't one defining moment, there were a few small ones. The owner of our accommodation in Simonstown offered to take us swimming one morning. Small cove, south of Simonstown, 7:15 a.m. He meets the same group here every day. Nobody organized it, it just became a thing. Or on a walk at Long Beach in Simonstown, we got talking to a couple with their dog. They'd moved to this area a few years ago, couldn't stop talking about it, not because it was perfect, but because it fit. That's the thing about this part of False Bay. People don't brag about where they live. They just look like they couldn't imagine being anywhere else. Would that happen in Munich? I'm not sure. If this is your first time here, we've been documenting this whole journey since we left Germany in September. The garden route test, our wingfoil expeditions, our best places to eat are all linked in the description below. By the way, our analytics show a ratio of roughly 20 to 80 females to males. Please, ladies, let us know in the comments what makes your boat float. We would love to cater to your needs too. One thing nobody warned us about, the Cape Town property market moves at a pace that is genuinely unsettling. Houses disappear within 48 hours of listing, sometimes even faster. We were still in the looking phase in November when our agent sent through a secret listing. A house whose owners weren't leaving until March. Off market, no competition yet. The house offers unobstructed sea view, hillside, stone construction, a pool, and a safe, relaxed neighborhood. We looked at each other. That was it. The house needs some remodeling, so we hired an architect, found a German builder, and soon we will dig in, literally. That gets its own video. Anne took a little longer to arrive at this. Sedgefield had gotten under her skin. The quiet, the market, the unhurried pace of it all. And then she said something that made everything click. That's exactly what it is, our perfect week away, not where we live. We'll go back to Sedgefield regularly. It'll be our reset button. 1 week, a couple of times a year, nothing to do, nowhere to be. But it's not where we live, and once we admitted that, the decision was easy. Cape Town is more lively than Sedgefield, louder, busier, all the things you'd expect from a real city. But it also has a morning swim at 7:15 and a cove nobody talks about. And a beach where the surfer dudes are still out at dusk. And enough going on that you never run out of reason to leave the house. We did exactly what we always do. Never stop exploring, just do it. So we tested South Africa in a lifestyle test drive, and this test drive now becomes reality. We soon will have endless summer with wingfoiling, hiking, gym, groceries and work. But in the meantime, a lot of work awaits us. Hopefully next South African spring we will enjoy the view onto the ocean from our window. And that made all the difference in the world for us. Head or heart, which one wins for you? Let us know in the comments. If you want to see how we got here, the garden route test, the Sedgefield versus Neisner. That video is all linked here, or you'll find the links in the description. And please subscribe if you want to follow what happens next. The renovation starts soon and our life here in Germany will become outdoors soon. See ya.